Pair of linear equations in two variables. Here pair means two and linear. Here degree of the equation is 1. Linear means degree of the equation 1. So in two variables. Okay, first linear equation. So for example, ax plus b is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. The variable is x. So here degree means highest power of the exponent, highest exponent of the variable. What is the variable here? X is the variable. Its exponent is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in x. That means only one variable is there here. Only one variable. Only one variable, that is x. Okay, so its degree is 1. Degree is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in one variable. So degree means exponent of variable, highest exponent of a variable. So that is degree. So when the degree is 1, that is called a linear equation. Okay. So now in two variables. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the linear equation in two variables. So here it is a general form of the linear equation in two variables. X and y. See here, its exponent is 1. Okay, its exponent is 1. Therefore, highest exponent is 1. So its degree is also a 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. Now next, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are the pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Here variables x, y, x, y. Its degree is 1. Its degree is also 1. Exponent is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation. As well as here compulsory remember that here a1 comma b1 not equal to 0. In this equation a2 comma b2 not equal to 0. Because of if a1 is equal to 0, only y is the variable. So it will become a linear equation in one variable. Suppose b1 is equal to 0. So that means this part should be 0. Therefore, here only x is the variable in this equation. So it will become a linear equation in one variable x. Therefore, here a1 comma b1 are not equal to 0, as well as a2 comma b2 not equal to 0. Two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Okay, here two lines have a one common point, therefore these lines are called intersecting lines. And there is no common point between these two lines, therefore these lines are called parallel lines. And one line overlapping another one, so lines are called coincident lines. These lines are coincident. So for example, here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These two are the pair of linear equations. This is the general form also. Then first one, the first situation is the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, when the two lines are intersecting lines, they satisfies the condition, that is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So here this is the a1, a2 and b1, b2. Okay, then when satisfies this condition, the two lines are intersecting lines. Here these lines are intersecting lines. Okay, then when they intersect, only one common point is there, therefore it has a unique solution or one solution. Unique solution or one solution. So and when they have a solution, they are called the consistent pair of lines. Yeah, these two lines have a solution, so one common point is there, so therefore when they have a common points, they have a solution. Therefore the intersecting lines have a solution. So that's why here these lines are consistent pair of lines, and here there is no common point in a parallel lines, so no solution. When they don't have a common point or common points, they don't have a solutions. Therefore these lines are called inconsistent pair of lines. And third one is that here many infinitely many solutions are there, many common points, therefore here they have a infinitely many solutions. So these lines also consistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so here intersecting lines have a unique solutions. When they have a unique solutions, that lines are called pair of consistent pair of equations. Consistent pair of linear equations. And next second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Then here the lines are inconsistent lines, right? Here parallel lines, Okay, then there is no common point, that's why no solution. Okay, and when they don't have a solutions, these lines are called inconsistent. Inconsistent pair of lines. And third condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Here these three ratios are equal. When the three ratios are equal, the lines are coincident lines. Okay, and coincident lines. And next is that infinitely many solutions. So because of here the line is coincide with another line, so many solutions. So here these two lines have a solution. When they have a solutions, that lines is consistent. Consistent pair of linear equations. Here in the second condition, parallel lines. In a parallel lines, these two, here its ratio and its ratio are equal, but ratio of constant is different. Therefore, whenever we take the two parallel lines, differ the only constants. Okay, and your coefficients of x and coefficients of y are same or in the same ratio. And next is the here the general form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then its coincident line is k into ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This line is coincident line of this line. Yeah, it is coincident line of bent line of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here k is any integer. So if the given line multiply by any integer, we have to get its coincident lines. Here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the given line. We have to multiply by k. K is here any integer. Then multiply by integer, we have to get its coincident line. So methods of solving a pair of linear equations. So main methods are two. One is the graphical method. This is the graphical method. And second one is the algebraic method. So in algebraic methods, again we have three methods are there. In this algebraic method, again three methods are there. In graphical method, only one graphical method only is there, and in algebraic method, three methods are there. One is the substitution method. So second one is elimination method. So third one is the cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication. Yeah. So method of solving a pair of linear equations are two types. One is the graphical method. The second one is the algebraic method. Okay. In algebraic method, again we have a three types are there. So one is the substitution method. Second one is the elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method.